Let's get started. Login page. Local coaches are provided with the same URL on cp.directwithhotels.com, similar to the URL that HU coaches access for their market's hotel list. However, a predetermined username and password is created solely for exclusive use of local coaches. Users with SPI access level has limited access to other modules on the control panel. The My Account link can be found on the upper right-hand corner of the dashboard, right beside the login name. This allows the user to edit his or her account information and password. Here are some business rules for the Sales Overview dashboard. The dashboard for the local coaches only displays data for the hotel subscribed by the local coach who is currently logged in. This applies to all views of the dashboard for a given local coach account, reservations, number of nights, DWH, and hotel revenue. The Sales Overview dashboard has 4 mini graphs shown by default: reservations, number of nights, DWH revenue, and hotel revenue. The dashboard shows the daily performance data for the last 15 days by default, data based on transaction date. This also goes for reservations, number of nights, and DWH revenue data. Check-in date for the hotel revenue. Here are some business rules on the SPI dashboard. The SPI dashboard has 4 mini graphs shown by default: reservations, number of nights, DWH revenue, and hotel revenue. The dashboard shows the daily performance data for the last 15 days, data based on transaction date. This also goes for reservations, number of nights, and DWH revenue data. Check-in date for the hotel revenue. Each mini graph is clickable and will redirect to the detailed view of the graph in the control panel dashboard. For example, the reservations mini graph should go to the Reservations tab on the control panel dashboard. Under the Reservations dashboard, data can be shown based on transaction date and check-in date. The number of nights dashboard. Data can also be shown based on the transaction date and check-in date. For the DWH revenue dashboard, data can only be shown based on transaction date. Hotel revenue dashboard. Data can only be shown based on check-in date. View options for dashboards. All dashboard reports have a chart view and a table view tab. Chart view shows the graphical representation of the performance data. Table view shows the breakdown of data depending on the period being viewed by the local coach. Data can be shown on daily and monthly basis. An export to CSV Excel function is available under the table view to enable user to export the data. Sales partner view. Level 1 view displays the aggregate performance data for all hotels subscribed by the local coach currently logged in. The breakdown data by country, city, and hotels can be viewed when users click on the bar. Level 2 view is for hotels. The hotels view will list down all hotels subscribed by the local coach with the corresponding performance data for the period selected. Drill down of data is not needed to show since the hotels list is the lowest level of data breakdown that can be shown. Now there are two ways to customize data shown in the dashboard: Customize Dashboard View and Period Coverage. Clicking on the Customize Dashboard View will open a pop-up window where data customization can be done. Period coverage can be viewed by the last 15 days, last month, last 3 months, last 6 months, last year, or custom date.